Alright, welcome to the channel. Make sure you hit that YouTube subscribe button. It helps me out and it helps the algorithm out, which helps people to search and find the video a lot easier. Lake Gregory is located in Crestline, California, off of Highway 138 as you're going up towards Big Bear, California. I'm going to give you an overview of the lake, so let's get into the video. Here we go. Here we're driving through the small town of Crestline towards Lake Gregory. Lake Gregory is located to the left, and we're going to be driving along the lake towards the backside, and then we're going to loop back around to the parking lot. So we just made the loop, and now you'll notice that the lake is to the right. Lake Gregory also has a 2.3-mile trail loop that takes about 43 minutes to complete one revolution. If you're into hiking, this is a very beautiful trail. Lake Gregory also has been rated as one of the best lakes in Southern California when it comes to trout fishing. Lake Gregory also has a $10 day pass fee, and that money goes towards keeping the lake stocked with fish. Lake Gregory also offers an $89 annual fee. Now that we made it to the parking lot, I'm going to be giving you an overview of the lake from the drone's point of view. So that was an overview of Lake Gregory from the drone's POV. The lake has plenty of picnic tables throughout the lake. There's plenty of parking around the whole lake itself. Lake Gregory also has an event tent outside for weddings and whatnot. So definitely check out their website. And once again, thanks for stopping by the video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you.
First time we looked us